In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate Exness. So the first thing you have to do, of course, to be able to access Exness is to go to your personal area and then you want to sign into your account. If you haven't done this, I have a tutorial on how to log in and create accounts, so we can go watch that first. Now, once you have your account and you're ready to actually use it over here inside the personal area, let me show you how to navigate around. So you have these tabs over here on the left, which are basically your menu used for navigation. So you have trading up top, and there's a bunch of things you can do. If you go to accounts over here, this part is going to allow you to actually go and see your current real accounts like this, and then your current demo accounts. And of course, you can also go and create new ones by clicking this open account button. You can then pick which account you want to go and open, and of course, press continue, select all the things like currencies, nicknames, leverage, platforms, etc. And that way you can create your accounts, okay? So that's of course the first thing that can happen inside the accounts tab. But of course, you could also go and then filter these by newest, oldest, free margin, nickname. You can see how it displays. So for example, you have this list view and then you have this other view as well, which is kind of more like a newer view. And then at the bottom here, you have your archived accounts, which you can show by clicking show accounts over here and then restore as well if you want to. And you can of course archive by clicking the three dots and then clicking on archive. Now there's much more things here. If you hit the trade button, it's going to take you into your trading panel, your Exness web portal. You can set the balance over here. So basically, if you set the balance, you can of course on your demo account set the current balance of your demo account and get more paper demo funds. On a real account, you can go and deposit, withdraw, transfer, or whatever you want to do. Now, from here, you also have this performance tab. So inside performance tab, you can see the performance of all your accounts, or of course, just a specific one if you want to check it in the last however many days you want to display. And then you can see your charts for net profit, closed orders, trading volume, and equity. Here you have your history of orders, where of course, it's going to allow you to see kind of your history of your open orders and closed orders. So I'm actually going to go and find one. There we go. On this account, I have a history. So it's showing over here. You can also pick the time period and then download these as a CSV if you want to, or click on them for an overview. Then you have the Exness terminal. So I'm actually going to go over this last because it's a separate thing. It's a separate terminal. I'm going to show you how to navigate this in just a few seconds when we actually come over all of these things over here. And that's pretty much it when it comes to trading. Then you have payments and wallet. You can go to this deposit tab, which allows you to deposit. So you can pick your deposit method, etc. But to be able to do this, of course, your profile must be verified. And then from here, you can also go to withdraw, which allows you to withdraw as it says over here. The transfer option is always available as well, where you can transfer between your own accounts. Then you have the transaction history, where you can see all your withdrawals, transactions, deposits, etc. And of course, you can filter these up top as well. And then you have the crypto wallet, which allows you to basically go and see your current accounts. You can deposit, you can see your external added wallets, etc. Then you have these insights over here where you can see trading signals. So they provide trading signals as well. If you want to use these and look at them, you can click on any of these to actually find that specific signal and what they basically wrote about it. Then you have news if you want to read those. And then you have the economic calendar over here, which is basically the economic calendar. You can set your time zone, the day, the country, and you'll see basically what's kind of going on, okay? Then you have the Exness benefits over here where you can see trading conditions. So over here, you can see all the trading conditions you have. Then you have savings, which is also an option they offer. And of course, the virtual private server, also known as VPS, which you can use if you actually have, of course, if you qualify with of course, these kind of qualified things over here, such as balances and stuff like that. Then you have the support hub where you can find support, you can contact them, you can live chat with them, you can call them, you can add a ticket, etc. And then you have profile where you can go through the verification process. So if your account is not yet verified, you can verify it in here. And then you could also go and basically click complete now and complete your verification steps. So first you have email and phone number, then you have ID verification, and then residential address verification as well. And then here you have security. Inside security, you can see your login details. such as your email and password, which you can also change. You can change the two-step verification, otherwise known as 2FA. You can put this to be email, new phone number, authentication app, which is basically like Google Authenticator or something similar. You can get push notifications to your phone, or if you can't access your device, you can also act in here. Then you have the option to also log out from other devices if your account has some troubles, but if you want to go ahead and terminate your account, your personal area, you can also achieve this in here. Last but not least, you have this trading terminal, which allows you to basically set these default trading terminals for MT5 and MT4 by clicking change and selecting the one you want to use over here. Now you have this button down here, refer traders earn commissions. If you click on that, here's going to be your partner link you can copy and send it to somebody you want to invite, or press read more down here at the bottom to actually open up the Exness affiliate dashboard, where you can basically track your reports, performance, your links, etc. Okay, that's also one thing they offer in here. Now in here, up top, you can also see some things. In here, you can currently see your balance, which you can also hide if you want to. Then you also have the option to deposit and to withdraw, and of course to transfer as well. And you can basically see your trading accounts directly in here. Then you have the option to switch themes. You have light, you have dark, and then you have your system theme. You can switch the language up here. If you need any help, this is kind of the help page as well, with tools and services and contact and trading and stuff like that. And then you also have the option to see your notifications if you have any, and this thing over here is going to open up the personal area, Exness terminal, or the partnership. Here, top right, you have, of course, your email, your profile, and the trading conditions. You can view them from here as well, and also sign out when you're currently signed in to your platform. Then if I go to the Exness terminal right now, this is actually super simple to use. So to navigate this, you have on the left here, you have instruments where you can look for different instruments you can add onto your kind of charts in your tabs up top. You have things like economic calendar, which you can see inside your personal area as well. And then you have alerts if you want to create those. You have a script editor if you want to do that as well. And then here you have settings where you have like a bunch of different things. You can change what you want to show on chart, what you want to hide. You can go and change appearances, time zones, and stuff like that. Then up top again, you have these kind of tabs where you can put in different instruments you can then view. And if you click on the plus button, you can add a new one as well, okay? This is going to be your chart. On a chart, you have the drawing tools on your left. On the top, you have the option to compare things. You can change time intervals. You can change chart types. You can go and, of course, change and set indicators. You can see indicator templates, etc. and use bar replay as well. Now, if you need any more info on all of these things, I do have separate tutorials on my channel, which you can go watch. Now, over here, you can also go and share a specific kind of chart over here. You can full screen it like this. You could go and save it if you want to and stuff like that. And yeah, that's essentially pretty much all there is to this part over here. You also have the trading panel here on the right. So if I actually open this, it's going to allow you to trade. You can go and buy and sell, select which order type you want. The volume, take profits can always be over here, and you can then confirm at the bottom. And then up top, you can then go and, of course, see kind of your balances, your accounts. You can switch them, you can go and top them up, etc. Here's notifications. You have the option to switch between things again. You can go and, of course, see your support and suggest your feature buttons, and you can also deposit if you're using a real account. Then down here, you can always see the open positions like this, the pending positions, and the closed positions as well, okay? So that's kind of an overview on how to navigate Exness. These are pretty much like the majority of the features, but for more videos, again, I do have a full playlist, so just go and watch that, and I'll teach you specific parts in there as well. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.